Okay, question 6 offers us, on the face of it, a simple percentage problem. Victor buys 12 bottles of apple juice at a total cost of $21. So his cost so far, his outlay, is $21. He sells the bottles, all 12 bottles, at $2.45 each. So let's say income is equal to 12 multiplied by $2.45. And that works out to be $29.40. Okay, so profit must equal $29.40 minus 21, which is equal to $8.40. So the question to ask is, what is this profit a proportion of? Well, his profit is a proportion of his original cost. So the numbers involved will be his profit and the original cost, not the income. The percentage profit will be the profit divided by the cost multiplied by 100. And that's equal to 40%. And that's the answer.